Give you some gain and slow motivation. We need the gas, head in the place. Switch up the swag, switch up the man. Nigga, they talking my way cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She get more head than the tumor. And I got things I can prove it, yeah. I got real rich and they get no diploma. She think it's something got to do with my mama while I can't love her like she needs.
She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks.
What is good, loves? Welcome back to the channel. So I am back with another hair review from Asteria Hair. So in the package I received their everything ready to go straight lace front wig. So the wig comes with HD lace. I did get the cap size in a size large, and the wig is 24 inches long. Here's the wig straight out the box, and the wig looks amazing. Look how natural that looks straight out the box, y'all. In the cap construction you do get 3 combs, so you get 2 combs on the sides, 1 on the back, including your elastic band. So I'm taking a little bit of my lace tinting mousse, and I'm just going to put this into the lace area that where the lace will match the color of my skin, match my complexion a little bit more. Shipping and handling was really fast. I actually received the wig within like the first 5 days, so you do get the wig within like a week or less than a week. So I'm going to be trying the wig on, see how she looks, and voila, child. Look how natural this wig looks. I am so shocked right now. I mean, it is giving scalp for real. So I'm going to customize this wig just a little bit. I do need to cut the lace out on the sides where it's kind of like hanging over my ear a little bit. I'm just going to cut that off. And it did come with lace tape, so I am going to put that on the tab of the wig because we are going to rock her glueless. No glue is needed in this video. Once I finish installing the wig, I will be back with my final thoughts and commentary on the segment. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you're interested in the wig that I'm wearing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below. Starting with the HD lace itself, it is giving nothing but scalp. Details of this wig is just mind-blowing. I love the zigzag parts, the braids, and the 2 pigtails. Absolutely a cute hairstyle. The wig is 100% glueless. I did nothing but just used the lace tape that came with the wig, and she feels very secured. The hair has enough density. I think I got this wig in like 180% density, but the hair feels full enough and very lightweight. From the great packaging to fast shipping, I got to give this wig 20 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you babes later. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye. I be knowing the rundown, I'm down, and so I can't speak about it. She know all the things that she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of trying, I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000
1,000 miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full cook press, put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy.